Wait real quick before you skip the video. I understand you don't want to hear some guy rambling. You want to skip through the video and get what you came to see. I understand, I get it, but just do me one little favor. After you skip forward and you watch the video, if you like it, just hit the subscribe button. That just do me a solid. So continue on. Skip away. Go. What is up, YouTube? Today I am super excited. I got my rough country lift for the Suburban in today. I'm going to do, I don't normally do unboxing videos, but I'm going to do, can you see? I need to readjust the camera. You already see the setup. I don't normally do unboxing videos, but I'm kind of running out of content. You know, like I'm working on the Suburban, if you're following along with that. And it's costing a lot of money, and I can't just buy the things that I need. I'm having to do it like one piece at a time, and it's definitely costing me a dime. But I thought what I'd do, just to kind of keep content rolling, just do an unboxing. Maybe somebody out there was wondering, you know, what comes in a rough country lift kit for a 2001 Suburban. This is the same, the front half of it is the same as like the Chevrolet in the GMC, Sierra, Silverado, Tahoe, Avalanche. The front portion is the same. The only difference is the rear part, that is the, versus leaf springs and coil springs. That's the only difference. I did order the 2-wheel drive version, but in the picture it shows, and it's the same price. So I'm kind of curious. You guys can find out together with me whether or not it has the stuff for the 4-wheel drive in here where you drop the differential down. Anyway, enough rambling. I'm going to try to set up some kind of way to do an unboxing. But normally the setup that I have to do unboxings with, it's for small things, and this is heavy. Every one of these boxes was a chore to bring in here. So let's start unboxing these things and see what we got. This video is not sponsored by Rough Country in any way. It could be if you like this video and comment a whole bunch, and they run across it, and then they can send me other things for the Suburban out there, like lights, wink, and other things on their website that are really cool. I'd like to have those things. So hit me up, Rough Country. Let's go. Okay, so here's the setup that I'm thinking. I'll put the box up here on the Milwaukee pack out, right? I'll open it, and we'll look at it, and then if I need a closer look, I'll move over to here, and then we'll have an overhead camera right here. What do you think? Will that work? It'll have to work, because it's all I got. I'm not really set up for this kind of stuff. But anyway, let's have no idea what's in these boxes. Can't see either. The knuckles. Okay, cool. Getting old. Glasses nowadays. Sucks. It is what it is. So this should be, no wonder it's so daggum heavy. These are the 3-inch steering knuckles or whatever. Oh gosh, heavy. Yeah. Let's go ahead and just move them over here. I don't think my little thing that I've got set up over here is rated for this capacity. I don't remember what these drawer slides are rated for, but those look nice. That's not too bad. Little close up. I've seen a few unboxings of these things, but not like nobody really like has like some good, like a good close up so you can really tell what's going on here. These I don't know if these are powder coated. I think they are, but they may not be. Good Lord. Definitely a left and a right. All right, so that is the steering knuckles, or whatever you call it. I don't know, the wheel hub, the hub bearings goes in here, and brakes mount to that or something like that. I don't know, but these, I believe these are 3 inches of the lift is in these, I think. Don't hold me to that. I really don't know, but I think we'll see. We'll do some measuring here in a little bit. But anyway, that's those. Let's get those out of here. All right, that worked out, right? Box number 1, have no idea what's in the box. Let's just do it by surprise. Let's not look at, let's not look on the side of the box. Let's just open it and see what's in there. Oh yeah, the kit comes with 5 boxes. I don't know if I said that earlier, but this particular kit comes in 5 separate boxes. And you get like a tracking number for each one of them suckers. A lot of people talk crap about Rough Country. I will say that I'm impressed with their website. The cool thing about the website is they make it nearly impossible. Here's a little book that comes with it. Comes in there. A little parts catalog, accessory catalog. Rough Country, hit me up. I'll take one of everything. The website, they make it nearly impossible for you to buy the wrong part for your vehicle, and I thought that's pretty cool because I'm not like super internet savvy or whatever. And the reason why I figured this out is they don't make a steering stabilizer for the Suburban 2-wheel drive. They have a 4-wheel drive one, and I was trying to figure out a way to, like, I would like to put a steering stabilizer on there. I was trying to figure out a way to get one, but they make it kind of hard. You gotta lie and say that you got the wrong kind of vehicle that you're trying to buy stuff for. Let's skip it. So it does. To answer my question from earlier, does it come with the 4-wheel drive parts? It does. Here's the light, by the way. The spacers to space your CV axles out. These right here are the, I'm not really going to know the technical name for all this stuff, but this is the thing that you hook to the lower control arm, and it spaces, it relocates the torsion bars. That's one reason why I really like this lift, is because a lot of the other lifts out there, they drop the torsion bars down, and I think it looks kind of funny. And this is like the no torsion drop lift, where it keeps the torsion bars in the factory location, and I like that. I think this is the thing that lowers the differential down, which we won't need because ours is 2-wheel drive. Another one of these. Another one of those there. And I have no idea what's in this box. So, yeah, I'm kind of worried about whether or not my shelf is going to hold this. So, yeah, this is the skid plate. Hopefully that'll work. I think it would look kind of cool even though it's 2-wheel drive. Hopefully this will work on a 2-wheel drive. I know these things won't. But I'm going to get some of this heavy stuff off of here and we'll see what's in that other little box. Ugh. I'm trying to hurry because I don't want this video to be ridiculously long, and I think the battery's going to die on one of my cameras pretty quickly. All right, real quick, let's see what's in this box here. Bunch of hardware. Yeah, these are the little spacers that goes where the torsion bars used to go. These will go in their place. Then them brackets goes on there. I think this is the shock extension. I think. I really don't know. I'm just guessing. Some hardware for that. No idea what these bushings are for. I think this is part of the thing that you drop the differential down with, and it looks like those are probably the bushings that goes in that. Really don't know for sure, but we won't need this because this is for the 4-wheel drive. I would one day like to convert to 4-wheel drive, but I don't know, and it'd be kind of cool because I'll have this stuff. And by this just being one of these in this box, this may not be the shock extension. This is the we call it thing the sway bar. These are for your sway bar links right here, and the bolts for that, because the thing from the factory has the like a bolt and threaded bolt type sway bar link, and this converts it to this kind. So that's pretty neat. Happy about that. Alright, so that's just basically a box of hardware with a few parts we're not going to use because it's 2-wheel drive. I say that like I'm proud. It's 2-wheel drive. Yeah, I'm not really. Alright, that's another box. We only got 3 more to go. Hang in there, folks. This is probably the worst unboxing you've ever seen, but that's okay. Another heavy box. All these boxes are pretty dang heavy. I'm filming this on 2 cell phones because I got the new M2 iPad because Final Cut came out for the iPad, and I'll be editing this video with an iPad, but I haven't got me a dongle yet to convert the footage, you know, so I can use an SD card, just because it only has one USB-C connection on it, and I have to have an adapter and all this stuff, and I ain't got that yet. So I'm filming with 2 cell phones so I can just airdrop the footage. Rambling. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, so this would be, yeah. So I didn't buy the expensive shock kit. They offer this in like 3 different shock variations. I ordered the cheapest shocks because I felt like I'm just going to be driving this thing on the street. I really don't need the $500 set of shocks. Maybe later, I don't know. I couldn't really afford to do it all at once. That's another shock right there. Yeah, didn't really want to spend the extra bits on the shocks. Oh, okay, so this is I think this is the relocator of the trailing arm or something like that. I don't know. I think it's part of the rear suspension. Yeah, this is for relocating the track bar or the panhard bar, whatever you want to call it, on that thing. I think that's the extension for raising that up. That's pretty neat. Some little bracket. Oh, I think that's for relocating the rear brake line. Testing the capacity of the shelf. What's in this box? I would imagine this box has got more hardware in it. Maybe some other little pieces. Ooh, okay. Extensions for the bump stops on the rear. Rear extensions for the bump stops. Ooh, okay. Rear. This box really contains all rear end stuff except for the shocks that goes in the front. It's weird. These are the sway bar links for the rear end. Some more hardware. Some bushings for, I have no idea. We'll have to check out the instructions for that. I haven't ran across the instructions. Yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bracket for the relocator in there and get rid of some of this paper along the way. We'll need that. All right, next box. That was the shock bushings. Now that's what was in that box. Those things that I didn't know what it was. It was the shock bushings. I think. All right. This box was the only box that wasn't labeled rough country. So this could possibly be something that's not even related to this. But I think it is. I hope I know what's in here. I hope this has the rear coil springs. I hope, yes. That's what we have. We have a beautiful set of gigantic coil springs. This is awesome. These are cool. Whoa, the box ain't gonna stay. The box is unstable. Yeah. These. So some of you guys that have been watching the build series so far will see kind of why I'm going with silver on some of the parts. That's gonna stay. On some of the parts that I've been building, painting up and everything, been doing them in silver because I had an idea that these coil springs were going to be silver powder coated. So it's pretty sweet. I like that. Some of the suspension components on the Suburban are going to be silver and black. Pretty cool. Next box. All right, saving the best for last, I guess. This, excuse me. This is, I'm assuming, hopefully, this is the cross member pieces. Yes, there's 2 of those. So this is the thing that you see all the time on the trucks in the front. It has RC carved in it. Maybe this one does. I think this is the, let's do the rear section, or maybe this is the front. Oh, that's the front. Hold on, I'll get you guys a better shot of that. Maybe that'll do it. Didn't realize it was curved like that. Pretty neat. Would like to have seen that welded. I mean, it's kind of welded. It's welded. Yeah, so I'm assuming this is the rear, which I thought the front one was going to be the beefier looking of the 2, but this is the rear. And you know, normally when you see these trucks with the lifts on them, you see the RC, so I guess this would be the front of the front. I didn't realize it was curved like that. I thought it was straight. Yeah, I'm assuming it's supposed to be like that. I'm trying to get an idea of what actual color. I mean, it's black, but it kind of looks gray a little bit, like a charcoal gray. I don't know, spotted. I thought about sending this stuff off and getting it repowder coated, but I'm not even going to bother. I mean, it's not a daggum show vehicle. It's just a daggum 2001 Suburban. That's all it is. It's a freaking school bus. That's what it's going to be. I don't even like Suburbans. I said that in another video. Suburbans are not like cool, but I have it. It is what it is. So that should do it on the unboxing of the lift. Did I cover anything? I was trying to hurry and I didn't want to really ramble a lot. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. The people at the beginning that skipped forward are probably not going to subscribe, but if you would like to look at some of my other videos that I spent a little bit more time on and everything, because this was just a rush. I wanted to open it and I wanted to share you guys with it. So it is what it is. Oh wait, I do have more. There's more, but wait. So when you order the lift, this particular lift, it doesn't come with rear shocks. It comes with shock extensions. Well, I already took a peek at these because these come in earlier. But I ordered the 6 to 7 inch lift rear shocks, and then I'm planning on not using the shock extenders, which I didn't notice those. I'd have to go back and look at it, but I never did notice the shock extensions. But yeah, I got those. These do not come with the lift. You have to order those extra. You can reuse your factory shocks, but mine are 20 some odd years old and I don't think they've ever been replaced, and now it's going to have new shocks. Also, they suggest, because this lift kit widens the track width 1.5 inches on the front, but it doesn't the rear. The rear stays the same. So they suggest that you put 2-inch spacers on the rear. So I ordered a set of rough country spacers. May or may not put these on. I don't know, because you know, I've heard a lot of bad things about spacers. I don't like them, but I do have them. So there's that. These were like $70 for the pair. So I felt like, you know, I'll get some. I'm not going to be crazy and double stack them and all that kind of stuff like you see them youngerns out there doing nowadays. They double. Anyway, that's enough rambling about that. Appreciate you guys watching if you even made it this far. Thank you. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.